Hello Manchester, and welcome to MTHS 21's monthly update. I'm Christian.
And I'm Kyle. Today we'll be covering Read Across America and Ridgeway, progress reports on Parent Portal, a senior MTHS signing a national letter of intent, and much, much more.
So stay tuned. We have an exciting show for you today. First, let's start with Ridgeway Elementary School news. There was plenty of rhyming going on in Ridgeway School on Friday, March 1st. Students, staff, teachers, and community members participated in Read Across America, a day dedicated to the love of books and reading, honoring the birthday of the beloved children's author, Dr. Seuss. As part of the annual Read Across America celebration, there were activists at Ridgeway School such as guest readers and buddy reading. The cafeteria even served green eggs and ham for lunch. The day concluded with the Ridgeway tradition of 15 minutes of dear time with everyone silently reading a book sitting in the hallways. A special thanks to Mrs. Zoke for coordinating the activities, Ms. Pilcher for her special school-wide visit, Mrs. Castro for leading Mrs. Viola's class in a Dr. Seuss song, and Mrs. Shank's class for performing Gotta Keep Reading.
Also in elementary news, Thursday, February 28th was no ordinary day. Ridgeway's fourth graders had out-of-this-world experience when Solar System Ambassador Tom Tinko volunteered his time to teach the children about our galaxy, the Milky Way. Mr. Tinko enthusiastically shared his knowledge about the planets, sun, and other astronomical elements. He graciously allowed the children to hold a fragment of a real meteorite and brought the universe to life in our very own school. Thank you again, Mr. Timko, for offering such a great learning experience to our students.
At Whiting Elementary School, the Junior Impact Club collected donations for schools damaged during Superstorm Sandy. These donations went to St. Rose High School and elementary school. Both schools lost their entire first floor during the storm, including science labs, technology labs, art room, and several other classrooms. Whiting School is always happy to help.
At Manchester Township Elementary School on Monday, February 25th, MTHS kindergarten students and parents attended the first ever Kindergarten Family Literacy Night at the Manchester branch of the Ocean County Library. This special evening followed class visits in the prior months when students visited with their teachers and applied for and received library cards. Children and adults began the evening with an entertaining puppet show put on by librarians Mrs. Sabrina and Mrs. Christina. This was followed by the children working on a jellyfish craft, while parents took a tour of the library and learned about the many literacy resources offered to the schools and the community. Children explored the many shelves of children's books and books on CD, and many left with armfuls of books to enjoy at home. We will return after the short public service announcement with news from Manchester Township Middle School.
Consumers and dental professionals have looked for the American Dental Association's seal of acceptance on products. The ADA seal stands for quality and effectiveness. Manufacturers who apply for the seal must meet certain criteria. They must provide objective data supporting the product's safety, evidence of purity and uniformity in manufacturing practices, and laboratory studies and clinical trials using guidelines set by the ADA to demonstrate effectiveness. All product claims made on packaging and labeling are approved by the ADA, so you can trust them. The seal is awarded for a 5-year period. These products are continually reevaluated to ensure safety and quality. To learn more and find a list of products awarded the ADA seal, visit ada.org. For the ADA Dental Minute, I'm Dr. Maria Lopez Howell.
Welcome back, Manchester. Before we begin with our school district news, let's take a look at the environmental tip of the day. Make it a full load. Run your dishwasher only when it's full and don't pre-rinse. Running a dishwasher when it's only half full is a huge waste of water and energy.
Now it's time for news from the district's middle school. Progress reports will now be available on the parent portal for the 3rd and 4th marking period. Parents and guardians can request a copy to be mailed by calling the guidance department at 732-657-1770. If you have not received your PowerSchool portal sign-up information, please email parentportal@manchestertownship.org.
It is now time for our school district news. The Manchester Township PTA presented $8,000 in grants to teachers for classroom equipment and projects. Co-presidents Christine Grill and Carrie McAllister presented checks to each school principal. They said they had 36 applicants this year and awarded 23 grants. Superintendent of Schools David Trethway remarked, "We are very fortunate in Manchester to have an outstanding PTA. Whatever funds you raise, you will always give it back to all schools. There are so many programs we wouldn't have without you, and we can't thank you enough."
Winners of the annual Manchester Township Middle School National Geographic Society Geography Bee were honored at the February Board Education meeting. Organizer and teacher Patricia Pontus Martin spoke about the importance of geography in our everyday lives and expressed her pride in the winners. Taking first place this year was 7th grader Antonio J., who was presented with a medal and is hoping to qualify for the state competition. Second place went to 6th grader Elizabeth H., and 8th grader Nick P. took 3rd place.
We will be right back after this short public service announcement with our high school and community news.
Just a word, so you mean what you say.
And love isn't love till you give it away.
We've all gotta give,
Yes, then a gift
to make a change. Send it on and on. Just one that can heal another. Be a part, reach your heart. Just one spark starts a fire. With one little action, the chain reaction will never stop. Make it strong, shine a light and send it on. Just smile, and the world will smile along with you.
that small act of love is meant for one who become two.
If we take the chances,
Change circumstances,
imagine all we can do if we send it on and on.
For more information on how to be green, visit planetgreen.discovery.com.
For our high school news. The March Madness basketball fundraiser returned to the school this year. All proceeds went to the Coach Rodney Copeland Scholarship Foundation. It was the Manchester faculty versus Manchester PBA 246. People loved taking part in the half-court shootout in the Slam Dunk Expo. Each three-point shot made during the game raised $100 towards a scholarship. It was a great event for a great cause, and thank you to all that came and donated.
Scott D., a senior at MTHS, signed a national letter of intent on National Signing Day to attend Lock Haven University of Pennsylvania on a cross-country track scholarship. Scott is a 4-year, 3-season athlete for cross-country, indoor and outdoor track and field. Athletic Director Keith Lister said Scott will have earned 12 varsity letters over the course of his 4 years here, a rare and special accomplishment. On hand of the signing were Scott's coaches, Jason Griffith, John Musoff, his mom Cynthia, and brother John, Principal Alex George, Lister, and guidance counselor Shannon Finlow. Scott intends to major in athletic training while at Lock Haven. Congratulations, Scott.
In community news, Island Beach State Park Manager Ray Bukowski says that the southern half of the park will be open to the public within the next month. Bukowski says the area will be open in 3 stages, from north to south, with the final stage being the end of the park's road that goes into Barnegat Inlet. Currently, members of the public are allowed as far in as the park's administration building, and parking is available at Beach 1. Beach buggy owners can also access the portion of the park, and 2012 beach buggy permits are still being honored.
Well, that's all the time we have for you today, Manchester. Thanks for watching Monthly Update. Student produced, student taped, and student run. I'm Christian.
And I'm Kyle for MTHS 21, where we inform, inspire, and empower. Remember to stay classy, Manchester.